Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Watch Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the side button, then press and hold on the middle of the screen to open the watch face menu, and here you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you like to use, and tap on it to apply it, for example this one. Like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces. So let's open the watch face menu. And some of the watch faces have this settings icon below. Tap on the icon. And here you can tap on the widget. First one here. And scroll through the list to find the widget you like to use. For example, I'm gonna select steps. Like this. Then tap on the next one. Let's select music. Here let's select battery, for example, and then heart rate, like this. And once you're done, press the side button to apply your settings, like this. You can also change the watch face by using the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. Open the XIAOMI Wear app on our phone. In the app, let's tap on profile right here. Then select the watch faces. And here we have a list of watch faces on our watch, and we can tap on one, then tap apply to apply it on our watch, like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.